Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. Here we are trading on Monday, September 11th, 2023 on the anniversary of the 9/11 tragedy that happened in New York. Remember the day well. I was just about sitting at my computer getting ready to trade. Had the news on and, big news story came about. They didn't know what had happened, and one plane then another plane, and you knew the world was under attack, but they didn't want to admit it on the news, and it was just sickening and sad. And a lot of people said, well, you must have shorted the market and made a killing. It was so devastating. I didn't even trade for probably a week. It was so sick, and it was just nuts. Anyways, back to trading, and here we are trading the NQ, 3 contracts, first trade of the day. Market opens up. They did a little head fake to everybody. Going to the moon, going to the moon. No, we're not. We're going to reverse on you, and down we go. So the bot gets short here and sells off. We hit our first 2 targets, and our stop loss gets taken out. It made an adjustment to that later, and then the market sells off down to the VWAP, bounces off it, and falls through it, and we're up $600 on the trade for a nice trade. We hit our goal. And there's the strategy performance, 609 and all the rest of the numbers. And we jumped into crude oil here just after the open. Also got a trend change and sold off, and we're going for just a little profit here, 420 on the day because it's Monday. And we hit 446 for a nice gain, and we'll take it on 3 contracts. There's the strategy performance, 3 trades, 100% winners, and all the rest of the numbers down there. And here's our second trade on the NQ. Market kind of bouncing back, but it ran out of steam here just before 10 o'clock. And we get a trend reversal. This is when we started it. It was in an uptrend. And then when the trend changed, down it went. First, second target, and then adjustment I made to the stop. Kept us in for this full swing down. And we locked in our profit. We had going for 640. We got 667, and we'll take it and bank it. And here's the strategy performance, 667, commission 12, made 100% winners on the trade. Largest winning trade, $430.82. That was our runner. So making that little adjustment to our trail stop paid off nicely. And that's what you got to do during the day. Got to analyze the market. Is it in wider range, smaller range? Tighten the stop, widen the stop, and you have trades like that. So in the first half hour, we're almost to our $2,000 goal here. And we got another trade coming up after 10 a.m. here on the NQ. Still trading the same thing, same dollar amount. And we started just right after 10 here. Market trending up, goes down. Stop loss gets hit, and then we get into some chop here as the trend was down, and then it bounced back up, and then it bounced up, and then sold off. And again, that adjustment paid off again nicely because our trail stop rode it all the way down after the first 2 contracts were hit, and 640 in the bank. And there's the strategy performance, 639.84 is exact numbers. Commission $50. We did have a couple stops there for about $400. But bottom line, minus commission, we came out with our profit goal being hit. So it wasn't a pretty trade, It wasn't a 100% winner, but it was a winner, and that's all that counts. And I think all this chop here probably had to do with the 9/11 anniversary. That's my guess, as there was no news. So here's our next trade. Right around 10:30, we start the bot. It's below the VWAP line. Market sells off. We missed the downtrend and then caught this trend here, and then a reversal up and back in the profit. Goal hit again, 620 for a nice trade. And here's the strategy performance. All the numbers there. So another winner in our trades for the day. That's our 5th trade. Then we do our 1 ES trade of the day. Let's take a look at that. Here's our ES trade. Basically, market after 10 o'clock moved up here, and then it had a reversal. Got short, and then a long trade, and then another short, and we hit our $500 goal on our ES, and that's our one and done trade. Especially on a Monday, you know. So we're one and done with that. And then we do one more trade in the NQ to rally out the day, and we start it after 11 o'clock, and the market starts an uptrend again, gets above our auto trend line. First 2 profit targets are hit, and then a stop loss gets taken out. No worries, because it's going to rebound here after a pullback, goes up back over to VWAP, off it goes. We lowered our goal to 500 just so I could hit it, because it's a Monday, and with the 9/11 anniversary, volume really wasn't there. And contract rollover, you got to take that into consideration. So that'll do it for us for a Monday on September 11th, 2023. So our total for the day was, in 7 trades, we did $4,000 in profits minus commission. So that's the full profit for the day minus all the commissions. And that's the way the bot works. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and social media, Twitter. And we'll catch you in the next video.